Y'all, if y'all see me glistening, my AC is broke, so it's 90 degrees outside. So yeah, I'm really trying, okay? I'm really trying.
Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you were already subscribed, thanks for tuning into another video. So today I'm going to be talking about my faux locks. I might show y'all, a few styles. This is my first time getting them, so. And I did it like the regular way, box braids, well, knotless box braids, then wrap some, my roommate did some like knotless box braids, and then she wrapped this Marley hair from Janet collection around them. So, mini story time. Y'all might not care, but it was a week before, because I got this hair for my spring break trip. We were going to Cancun or whatever, and it was a week before, and I went to like 3 different beauty supplies, and they'll have like these packs, but they'll have like one color of this, one color of that, one color of that. Go to the next beauty supply, one color of this, one color of that, one color of that. So I was just like, so I remember seeing Janet collection in my email, but I was like, am I subscribed to them, or did they want to send me, some good goods? So I'm in the beauty supply, and I look it up, and it was just like, we got you, girl. So they came through. The shipping was super fast. They sent me like 7 packs of the number 4 and 1 pack of like M1B27. Yeah, that's, which color is that in my hair? It's just like a few highlights. I don't know if y'all could tell. That's this color. Focus. Okay. But yeah, so yeah, they came through because I didn't know what to do. I was just like, so I could say, the hair held up great. The Marley hair, I was in the ocean. This been in for about 3 weeks now, so I think they're still hanging on pretty good, and I haven't really been wrapping them or putting a scarf on, so I think they're holding up well. They did like come loose when I was in Cancun, but I don't know if that's just how the hair is or if the method, like how I did it. But yeah. So I really like these. These are super different. If you know me, my go-to protective style is most likely a wig. So yeah, I got box braids once. I got Marley. I got box braids once, but I don't know. Yeah, they were super heavy, so every time I turn, I just look like a robot. Like, I didn't like that. I got Marley hair once. The person who did it made my scalp bleed, so I was like, so these faux locks, I love them, but they are kind of heavy. I just think because it's a lot of hair in my head. I have a lot of hair, so there are a lot of faux locks in my head. So if you have a lot of hair, be prepared for that. So if I was to get it again, I'll probably try the crochet. I'll probably try the crochet method because those are super lightweight. Like, you could put in a bun and all of that. This, I don't know how to put in a ponytail. Lord. Okay. I am going to show y'all some styles that I did while I was in Cancun. They were super quick, super easy. Most of the time, I just put it to the side. Switch from right to left. Right to left. That's what I'm doing right now. But I'm going to show y'all some easy, simple styles that I did. And yeah. Oh yeah, I'll show y'all how. They're like different lengths, but I'm 5'2", and the longest one is like to my butt. All right, y'all, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. hopefully these hairstyles gave you a few ideas. Sorry I can't do too many because y'all, when I tell y'all this hair is pretty heavy, like even when I put it up I just feel like I'm about to woo. But yeah, so if it was more lightweight, if I get lightweight ones, I'm gonna do more hairstyles because then I can put in a bun, all of that. But thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out my Cancun vlog to see, you know, how my hair was looking and, you know, the ratchet activities I was participating in. But yeah. All right, I'll see y'all next video. Bye.
All my diamonds shine, 'cause they really diamonds. All my diamonds shine.